Hello friends, it's Miss Nora from the CH Booth Library, and I am here today to show you a craft. It is a snowflake tree, and we will have this available in the children's department for you to take home and create. So in your bag will be a sheet of snowflakes, and we're recommending this for either 6 or 7-year-olds, probably up until about 9. It does involve you cutting out all of the snowflakes before you assemble it. So it's straight line cutting, and so hopefully that will be good practice for you. There will also be some wooden discs in the bag. You'll put one on the bottom and 2 between each snowflake if your bag has the discs, or your bag may have the wooden balls and you will put those in between each snowflake. There'll also be a glitter pen so you can decorate your snowflakes if you'd like to. And there will be a pipe cleaner for you to assemble it on instead of a piece of string. So we're using pipe cleaners today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out all of your snowflakes. And like I mentioned, it's straight line cutting. And so when you're cutting on the straight line, it's easier if you move the snowflake and you get a nice corner rather than moving your scissors. So it's easier to cut, and you can practice that. There's 5 snowflakes. And so when they're all cut out, I would suggest you take a pencil and poke through the center of each snowflake. That will make it easier when you're threading them onto the pipe cleaner. And this would be a good time when they're all cut out to take your glitter pen and to do some decorating. And then I would suggest you let that dry before you assemble it so you don't get glitter all over you and wherever you're working. So after the snowflakes are cut out and they're decorated, you're going to take your pipe cleaner. I'm going to demonstrate with the discs. So you're going to put 1 disc or 1 ball on the pipe cleaner, and then you're going to take your largest snowflake and put that on top. So we're going to be assembling from the bottom of the tree to the top of the tree. So from the smallest snowflakes, from the largest snowflakes up to the smallest snowflake. So then we're going to put 2 discs on, and the next snowflake, and then 2 more discs on, and we'll move that down, and another snowflake, and then 2 more discs, and so now we have 4 snowflakes on there, right? And now we just need 1 more. So we're going to put our last discs or our last wooden ball and the last snowflake on top. And I have it at about the middle. I'm going to move it down on my pipe cleaner, and I'm going to loop the top and twist it so that I have a little hanger there and I can hang it somewhere. And I'm going to bend the bottom of my pipe cleaner so that my snowflakes don't fall off, and then I just cut off the end of it. And that's our snowflake. So we hope to see you in the children's department picking up your craft. And if you'd like to post pictures on our Facebook page, we would love to see what you create. Have a great day.